Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 6T, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings. Now before I do so, I'm gonna quickly close up everything. There we go. So we're gonna open up our settings, and in here you wanna scroll all the way down to additional settings from the very bottom, and scroll down again, and you'll find as the last option backup and reset. Choose reset phone, and this will then give you the option to erase all data in the red text, and it gives you the pop-up. This will clear all data, so select erase data. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Obviously, if you have anything on your device that you'd like to preserve, music, photos, user data, anything like that, do make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have done so already, or you maybe just don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Erase Data, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.